Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back right here in Geneva with Bentley today. I'm just getting back an old brand new Bentley 2020 Flying Spur for a totally old brand new journey that Nicola is currently filming, but you're gonna see him in the car as well. But just very quickly, let's make a very quick tour around the car. As you can see, I do have British plates today, not like the last time that we've got another Dino from the garage. But this is a beautiful old brand new Flying Spur with this blue, another rims. That's one of totally 21 inches rims as well on the same way. W12 on the side, and just the inside there is the first edition spec, as you can notice. So you have the first edition right here, and for the inside that I'm gonna show you later on, you have the diamond into a diamond interior, which is just insane. So yeah, so let's get on board without waiting. Let's take this beautiful Flying Spur and let's go to Luzerne this time on some beautiful Swiss mountain roads. So yeah, let's go. Alright guys, so welcome already on board of this one and only really wonderful Flying Spur 2020 that we've got just from the Bentley dealership from Geneva, as you might see. So, this is Nicola that is currently right here on board with me. He's going to be my co-pilot for the whole trip, for the whole journey.
Yes.
You are his Instagram of the page that you guys created because you are two.
Exactly.
Gastronogram, sorry.
So it's
gonna be just down below.
Me and my colleague in Sweden.
Yeah.
Hi to you.
Hello guys from Sweden.
And,
if you guys watch it
so
here.
Gastronogram is a restaurant promotion platform.
Yeah.
And we do a lot of hospitality. And exactly, so Alex is taking me on this Flying Spur to the Bürgenstock resort.
Yeah, actually the way that we currently go, it's in Luzerne.
Exactly.
And it's my first time going there actually. We might already seen some pictures from there, but I've never been there.
And we're gonna arrive with this amazing Flying Spur at a gastronomical event. They're hosting the Eat Series 2020, where we will be attending the first guest celebrity chef dinner tonight. Yeah.
Wow!
So it's gonna be amazing.
Wait. It's my first actually gastronomic event as well on the same way, which can be good also with the hotel, the car, and there's going to be like quite famous chefs or something like that. So, what's gonna happen tonight actually?
So, well, basically tonight the executive chef of Bürgenstock Resort is inviting other celebrity chefs from other countries to host lunches and dinners throughout the next season. So there will be many different events, and tonight we're gonna have dinner with an Austrian chef.
Wow!
Yeah.
All right.
He was the executive chef.
Don't say more. Don't say more.
In Singapore, actually, so that's pretty cool.
Wow. Yeah. Okay. So we're not gonna spoil everything. What's gonna happen tonight. So let's go on board. We're currently driving. We have like 200 kilometers left to go.
Not too bad.
The weather is good. We thought that's gonna be rain, but it's really great. So thank you, Nicola, for doing all this today. We're gonna check how it's gonna be. So, and without editing, let's continue on the road. I'm just going to show you also the car, maybe a bit more in deep. Also the first look of the Flying Spur, the first edition as well. You're gonna be driving maybe after, and I'm gonna be
how many kilometers do you have?
on the back. So
little.
So we have plenty of time to show you guys what the Flying Spur is about for today. So we're still on the way. We've just switched the roles with Nicola. He's currently driving and I'm currently on the back. We have like around 150 kilometers left before that we arrive to Bürgenstock. But now with this wonderful day, let's put myself in a business mode. So I'm currently just on the back aboard this wonderful Flying Spur first edition that I'm gonna just show you some few details on board it. But yeah, let's put myself on a businessman mode. For example, when you are working really a lot and that you are out of work, that you will probably have traffic until the way that you arrive home. So why not to experience the business mode on the back of the car? So, and when you're just driving, this car is just perfect. It's also the first time that I'm experiencing it for cruising and making some journeys as well on the same way. But currently on the back, the leather, the seats are just so comfortable that you can currently literally sleep all on the back of the car. But you have like some really wonderful cushions, like you feel so great surrounded. And I'm going to show you how is my view from where I'm seated, and that you can grip this small touchpad that is literally here, and that you can control literally the whole car when you are even seated just on the back while driving. If you're too bored, so you can take this and make some fun with this little pad actually. So yeah, but the car is just so well on the same way bespoked. There's a lot of options just on board the car, but on the back as well, because we do have this on the front. We do have the massage seats on the front, but on the back you have the massage seats as well here, and that you can enjoy more your travel or your journey while you are on the back right here above this Flying Spur. So yeah, I'm going to show you my view from the passenger side. Currently, Nicola, how is to drive for the first time this Flying Spur?
It's just amazing.
How do you feel?
I just feel like the car is so light, which is actually not. I'll just say I'm going pretty fast and I can't even feel it.
Yeah, but the view from here is so well. But yeah, this is from my side, how I'm currently seated. I have so much place for the legs, and that you can enjoy cruising and cruising. So this is the whole cabin. We do have like some 3D on board, like on the door, as you can spot. And yeah, this is how it currently looks like. You have like these poofy cushions. Very well, very cool right here with all the Bentley stitching. And this is the great option with the diamond into a diamond, the Moliner, the first edition spec currently right here, as you can spot. All the diamond into a diamond. This is very, very cool, and the perforated seats are also insane. You have like a little box right here that you can charge your phone, etc., and put some stuffs right there. And one feature that I would like to show you, which is like pretty cool. So you have this pad, you click right here, and you can control literally the whole car with only this pad. So for example, I would like to close the blinds. So here you click, we're currently on the tunnel. So I'm going to show you on the same way how the inside of the car is in the night. It's all light on, and you can choose actually. I'm gonna show you the rest with the blinds actually, so you can choose what kind of light you would like for cruising. So you put red, and the whole car is also changing with the color that you want. You want yellow, you want orange. You have plenty of choosing the car color ambience. Okay, so let's go back with the blinds. As you can choose, you can close when you click just one button. You can close and open everything with one click. Also the ceilings, the roof. So you have like the blinds in Alcantara this time. And one cool thing that you can make also, as you can see right here, you can even control the flying bee that is literally in the front, that we cannot see it right here. But you can raise up and put down the flying bee on the same way from this control. You have massage, and obviously you have all the steering wheel, like all the steering, sorry, for your passenger side on the back. so we finally made it. Welcome in Luzerne, welcome in Bürgenstock. Here is the flying that you've just seen. I'll make some bureaus as well for you guys so that you see it from the inside. But now let's leave the car right here and let's enter, let's check how this hotel is. And the whole event is going to be also on this place here tonight, with just the lobby, just the entrance of this place is really, really tremendous, especially when you see it on the very first time and you feel like at home, not even like in a hotel or some residential in some other country, but here in Switzerland it's really matching perfectly. So yeah, let's discover the room as well on the same time. Just forgot to mention the name of this hotel. So this is the Waldhotel Bürgenstock with the Schweizerdeutsch accent. Yeah, but well, anyway, that one is the medical center, and there is another one just like a few meters before, which called only the Bürgenstock, when you have all the view on the lake, etc. So yeah, this is gonna be our room for tonight. 515. There we go. Welcome aboard. Welcome inside. And there we go. So first of all, what we're gonna do, okay, the room is pretty huge. So very quickly, okay, Nikolai, you're gonna be on the mirror. It's okay, it's fine, it's gonna be fine. So this is the whole bathroom, pretty big, with one huge shower, and okay, the toilet looks like a room. And so here you have some amenity stuffs as well. And the whole sides of the room, this is how it looks. It's so brand new. It smells new. It's really tremendous. You have
like the Bentley.
Like the Bentley, absolutely. So everything is all very new. So here you have a table, you can rest, some welcome stuffs, some Bentley keys as well on the same way. All right. And yeah, the greatest thing here is that you have this wonderful big view from the balcony, that you wake up in the morning and that you can admire and see the whole mountains. How wonderful is that? Check this out. So yeah, that's the whole hotel, and I will see you back for the event of tonight. That is going to be with the chefs, with the kitchen, and that we're not gonna be cooking as well, but we're just gonna degustate some wonderful plates. See you later. We're currently on the way with Nicola. We're just getting ready for the event. We're just taking the
have our meal now.
We're gonna like discover all the meals that the chefs are going to prepare for us, and yeah, without the wedding,
It's gonna be great.
It's gonna be great. I think that you've already presented the event, then we're gonna show you all the chefs that are going to be there as well.
Yes, we're gonna have a special guest tonight.
We're
guest
gonna
chef.
okay.
Yes.
We're gonna have a special guest tonight. I just knew it. Okay. Yeah, let's take the elevator and let's get started. So yeah, we're currently at this restaurant. Nikolai is already starting shooting, but yeah, there we are. We have like these two chefs that are already preparing the first course, the starting course. There's fire on the back inside of the oven. So yeah, this is the whole place, how it entirely looks at the top of the entire hotel. There's not a lot of people tonight, but we have this table only for us. It's like this nice lady has privatized the whole space for us, which is maybe better. So yeah, without waiting, let's get started with the first course and how everything looks. Chef, what have you prepared for us tonight? What's the first starting?
That's kind of my signature dish since a few years already. A lightly smoked eel with a crispy pork crouton, Dijon mustard, and fresh horseradish grated on top. Supposed to taste like a cold cut bladder here in the Alps. once it's falling on the plate, you're
It's
not
over.
gonna touch it anymore. So even if it's on the rim.
Thank you.
He don't let me do it.
Now it's the proof that chefs can touch hot things. That's it.
And we say, if you cannot touch hot, you cannot go for it.
Exactly.
So stimmt das mit viel Hornhaut an den Fingern.
So guys, currently from behind the scenes, this is the kitchen where everything has been made for us tonight. The kitchen is absolutely bright. It's always a different feeling when you see everything that has been made. So just check out the plates when they are literally cooked in the front of you with the chef that is currently preparing on the last details and the sauce, and everything is gonna be ready for being served. This is so cool. Check this out.
Anything else posting?
Actually, that's nice.
If
Cool.
you're like both like
Everyone's getting shots. Look at that. This is really the behind the scenes with all the gastronomian bloggers and the chefs right here. Wow, thank you very much. Oh, it looks so special. What is that?
so he can explain what it is.
What do you have for
This is
us?
actually a little refreshment after the main course. It's a grapefruit vodka tonic.
Wow. And this is how it looks, right?
Exactly. Don't eat the tin. Just eat it like a orange veg, just like you do at home.
Wow.
The skin.
That's very original. That's very cool.
I'm gonna
Yeah.
Fantastic.
So Nicola, you're gonna taste the
love this grape.
grapefruit vodka,
Vodka.
tonic.
As
This
the chef said,
is that
you're
your first
supposed
time?
to eat the tin.
Yeah.
Obviously.
You're gonna eat this.
It's real.
It's real.
We
Crashed.
try.
So. And
Super fresh.
fresh.
Yeah.
Wow. Cool. So the dessert.
So you have to explain.
Yeah.
So
I'm just
dessert.
guest.
Tell us the truth.
It's probably one of the most traditional desserts in the culinary world. It's the, I call it in English, the Pierre Hélène.
Yes.
The traditional one
Yes.
is
Told you.
Pierre Hélène.
the
Pierre
traditional one is a poached pear with chocolate sauce and a little spoon of
Wow.
cream. So I try to break it down a little bit in different textures.
So massive thanks to everyone that get part of it, that everyone that makes all this evening possible. Massive thanks to Bürgenstock. All the dining has been over on this wonderful place. I would like to thank also two person that has been part today. Chef Mike Verlet, thank you very much.
Pleasure.
And Chef Liebek, thank you very much once again for all the tonight dining. These two chefs that make all this dining possible. So massive thanks to you guys as well for the very first time right here inside in this place in Bürgenstock Resort. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to leave a like, and hope to see you very soon. Have a great evening and see you on the next video. Cheers.